Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the PIN code to your account. So in such case, in order to restore your PIN, you have to click this button right here, and if you don't see it, then you have to make a couple unsuccessful attempts. So enter your PIN number a couple of times, basically any random PIN, and after a couple of incorrect inputs, this button will appear on the screen. Click on it. Sometimes you have to click on it twice because it's poorly responsive, as you can see. And then, if you have a local account installed on your computer, then you'll have to answer some security questions that you prepared for yourself. In case you don't know the answers to these questions and you really can't get them, then the only way in such case to restore the access to your account is by reinstalling Windows from USB. Fortunately, we have a ton of videos on our channel on how to do this step by step, so check them out. That will surely help you, and once you reinstall Windows from USB, you'll be able to use your laptop once again. But if you forgot the password to your Microsoft account, PIN to your account that is connected with Microsoft, then you'll have to input the password to your Microsoft account first. Okay, let me input mine real quick. And then to verify your identity, you'll have to receive an email with the code on your email that is connected to your Microsoft account. So go ahead and check your mail and click this button right here. And once you click on it, you'll have to input a code that Microsoft just sent to you. I'm gonna input mine in a while, so give me a minute. Okay, and now once you enter the code, click verify, click continue, and then you'll have to set up a new password for your account and make sure that you remember it this time. So enter it once and then confirm by entering it again, and then click OK, and after that you will be signed into your account automatically and will be able to use your account once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.